Hey, this is Ray Horn, your favorite Python developer. Going to talk about oAuth. We're going to start to dig into it today. We're just going to set it up. Let's just talk about what oAuth is and what oAuth is not. Okay, so oAuth allows your business partners, the people who want to use your web-based API, your REST web services, that API. The people who want to use that are going to have an oAuth token. And they're going to put that token in the request header when they want to use your web services. And that allows you to control who can use your web services. Now, is oAuth the best solution? I don't know, maybe not. What would a better solution be? Well, a better solution might be one that would allow your business partners to use a temporal-based code like the Google Authenticator, which they will pass along the header, which after it's been used and a certain amount of time has gone by, let's say 30 seconds, 60 seconds, it's no longer valid. The problem with oAuth is that you give out that token and people put it in their headers. That's not generally changed very often. So when you don't change a token very often, people can, steal it. People can take it. They can hijack it. They can use it. They can spoof. They can do all that kind of stuff. So it's not all that secure. It's not the panacea for web-based security when it comes to authorizations. It's really not. But for now, we're going to talk about oAuth because it seems to be in the mainstream. The other solution I'm going to talk about later on is the Google Authenticator-based solution, which I think is a better solution. So what oAuth is not, and I'm going to repeat this all throughout this series, oAuth is not authentication. oAuth is not a replacement for logging into a system. oAuth does not replace a username and password. Neither does it replace some kind of two-factor authentication, like an SMS text or an email, or something to go along with the username and password. It's not that. It's also not single sign-on. oAuth can be used with single sign-on, but it is not single sign-on. It is not authentication. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up oAuth. For Django, it's the oAuth Toolkit, Django oAuth Toolkit. So now we're going to go into our virtual machine, into our Django 1 project, and we are going to pip it. And this is doing all the oAuth magic, and it has been set up. Do a little pip list, and it's there, along with oAuth Live. All right. And so now in our installed apps, we are going to put in an oAuth 2 provider. So we're going to go into our settings, our installed apps, which is right here. And we're going to slap in the oAuth 2 provider. And then we're going to come back and put in a URL into our URLs file. It's a URL pattern. And we are going to put that in place. And then we are going to sync our database. So we're going to have to come in here, go to our project launch configurations. Sorry if I'm losing my voice. We're going to add one. All right. See what that does for us. Okay, so that should work. Yeah, let's just see. No, it doesn't like include. Because we are missing a function. Oh, right. Righto. Okay. That is taking care of all of it for us. And that is it. Now we can go on to our first tutorial in the Django oAuth Toolkit. But for now, it's set up, and it's the end of this video. If you like what you're seeing, hit the like button. If you want to see more and stay up to date with everything I'm publishing here, then hit that subscribe button. And we'll catch you next time.